Hello everyone, it's MPX AUTOS, it's James. How are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Prado Altitude 2012, and today our customer driving long distance to our workshop, so the system already been done in a straight walk. Yep, they dropped this morning and now it's about mid of the afternoon. Very straight walk and everything is beautifully set up. Here is the 9-inch premium system for the Toyota Prado 150 series Altitude, and this one belonging to the 2009 and 2013 generation. Beautiful setting of the head unit, 9-inch, and you know the touchscreen is very responsive, and you can see that we are using the glove, you know, on our hands, but it responds very nice. And it will keep the factory steering wheel control. It will keep the factory amplifier, which is under the driver's seat, and it keep you know, the factory reverse camera, and it keep the factory roof LCD screen here, which actually is still working by its own remote control, and the CD loader over here, the same thing. The good thing is we actually have a very strong amplifier inside the head unit, so when we install this premium one, it actually will combine with the sound premium system in the car and make it to the higher level. So now the sound in this car is much deeper and nicer, and you know, higher as well. That's what our other customer, you know, definitely confirm. The performance of the sound is absolutely improved a lot, and they love it. So called this one the same thing. And what else we should mention? We have two USB port. One actually is here at the same factory location here, that is, you can plug in USB stick like this. The second one we hidden inside the glove box. And what else? All the touch button here, and you know, flashing button, you know, emergency button, beautiful. The button here working well, and air conditioner control. Okay, now the climate control and air conditioner control will show up on the screen when you start using the air conditioner control here, and everything you do here will be shown on here, or actually you can control it from here. Okay, so you can control the climate control right on the screen. Whatever you see will be whatever you can control. You can touch anything over here to control it, and that's the good point of the system, which will bring in the climate control on the touch screen. So what that means is, even if in case the physical panel here is broken, then the system, our system still can be accessed into the climate control to turn on and, you know, control the air conditioner and climate control in this car like normal. So that's very good thing, because in any event that this panel is not working, you still can use it from here. That's so good, right? And all the button here, phone answer, POI, and volume, changing jack mode, everything working. And we have a very nice microphone working hidden nicely over here, and which will get a very strong phone call quality. So now look at the reverse camera once again. Look at this. That is the factory reverse camera screen. Exactly, it was like that, but it was on the smaller factory screen and much less resolution than this one. Much less. So at this moment it's so clear, and big screen, 9-inch quad LED technology screen. Yeah, we are very happy with that, so definitely the owner will be very happy as well. Yep. And all the thing here, the factory events stay here and easy to control, everything like that. Yeah, what else should I mention now? Okay, factory setup remaining from steering, radio, CD player, roof LCD, factory amplifier, and you know, factory looking, very nice looking for a setup. Yep, everything fit perfectly back into the place, not even a gap, and it looks really much into the dash because of the color is matching and the design is matching with the car. So yep, that's a big upgrade, and it's beautiful upgrade as well. So a good day and a big day, and it's all done. So thanks again for watching, and you can see this when we turn the light off, it will come into the night driving light on, you know, level on the screen, which is bright under the sun. This will be good, but we are in our workshop anyway. Now if you turn the light on, it will automatically dim to the night driving mode. Okay, so hopefully it will be very enjoyable for watching, and we'd like to say thank you for watching this. So we'll see you in another one. Have a good day.